Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the country in your GoDaddy account. So let's dive in. First of all, open your browser and go to www.godaddy.com. Log into your GoDaddy account if you are not, and then once you're logged in, click on your profile icon which is located on the top right corner of the screen. From there, select the option saying Account Setting from the drop-down menu. In the Account Setting page, scroll down until you see an option saying Address. So click on it. Now from here, you can see the option saying Country/Region. So click on the Edit button next to it. Change your new country from the drop-down list. After selecting the country, you have to enter the credentials like city and postal code. And once you have entered those options, click on the option saying Update. As you can see on your profile page that your current address has been changed. So this is how you can change your country in GoDaddy account. And if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you guys in the next video.